Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. I've been going through a series of video presentations on validating an HTML5 form using JavaScript. And I've been going through this example that I have done personally for a mythical gym. And a couple of the fields are different, I realize that, but I'm up to my validate shift. And a bunch of this, I'm not going to even lie to you, I took it off the internet. All right, so oops. It's not real long here, so I'm going through here to see how many of these are possibly checked. And if my number that are checked is equal to 0, all right, so in other words, if there haven't been any checked, let's see, we'll see if this works. Okay. And I'm doing basically the same kind of thing. All right, so I'm going through here and I'm seeing how many radio buttons are checked. And if none are checked, I'm giving an error message. All right. Otherwise, All right. So again, I'm checking to see whether or not that anything was chosen as far as the shift goes. Let's check right now by going back to here, running this. And I'll have to put in valid stuff here. Alright, so that all should be valid. And I'm going to leave this blank now. Click submit. I'm getting this goofy error, which I'm not sure why. I didn't choose anything and it did not give me an error. That isn't good. For whatever reason, see, I'm still getting this must be 1 to 50 alpha characters. And here I'm, okay, that's good. So let's try that. That's good that I'm not getting anything there. I'll try to leave that blank. Again, I'm still getting some weird errors. And here, it's not giving me. So what I'm going to do, I'm giving you the right code. All right? I am giving you the right code, but for some reason it's not running. So I think I've given Evan already a working copy of this, but just in case, I'm going to send him another working copy when I get done. All right? In fact, I'll tell you what, I'll show it to you like this. I want to show you the working copy that's actually complete. So I think it's here. Find out. I've got 2 or 3 copies of it floating around, so try to see if this is the right copy or not. So there you go. You click submit and you get all those errors. Okay? But if I come in here and I put in my own information here, I don't know why it wouldn't be showing there, but it wasn't. All right, and I'll just say afternoon text masters. Let's put in 1 2 3. Oops. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. These are not validated, so I'm going to leave those blank. If I click submit, it does show me everything that has been submitted. Click. And the only thing it doesn't like is this one, because I forgot the dashes. So let's try it again. And it worked. So just to show you what is in here, because I am trying to be complete. So again, I will send this out to Mr. Gudmested right after I finish with this lecture. And he may have a copy already, he may not. I don't really remember whether I sent it to him or not. So that was validating the shift. I put some alerts in there while I was writing it to just check. And the contact via is similar because we're again running through this, so I probably could have written that as just one function. And then this was the one for the validate education. I'm going to suggest that Mr. Gudmested shares this stuff with you. Whether he does or not is going to be his call. But just in case, what I will do, here is the validate shift right here. There it is. So I will literally leave that up here for, I'm just going to let this click down for about a minute, and then I'll move to the next one and do the same thing. Here is the contact via. And then finally, here is the validate education. I'll leave that up there like I have been with the other ones for about a minute or so. So this is on my desktop in 1118 miscellaneous forms folder. So there's 1118, a miscellaneous forms folder. So right there, that's it, called forms. I'm going to zip it. And immediately send this, well, not immediately, but I'm going to send this to Evan. And let's see. I sent him a link this morning that had the first 6 videos. This is video number 7. And I'm going to reply all, so I'll go back to him, and I will make sure that on the desktop 1118, nope, sorry, I don't even need to do that. On the desktop I should have forms.zip. There it is. I'm attaching that right now. When I get done, I will also attach this. So, hi Evan. Here is the link to the final JavaScript form validation video. So this will be part 6G, I believe. All right. And I will again put the URL in as soon as I get done. So that's it. Okay. And I will be back tomorrow. I'm going to try to rewrite this tonight using jQuery. See you then.